we're going to be building our new PC on stream today. We've got a bunch of cool components that have been sponsored by NZXT and Webhallen, which is a Swedish retailer. Webhallen have sponsored with the graphics card, which is an Asus 4080 Super. We've also got an Intel i9. Really nice. 14,900K. And RAM, of course, from Corsair. 64 gigs. 5600 megahertz. Then from NZXT, we have this super duper mega new Kraken Elite 360 RGB AIO CPU cooler. Then we've got the PSU, the power supply, also from NZXT, C1000 Gold. We have fans to complement the case, and we've got a control hub so that we can control the fans and everything. On top of that, I have some storage as well from before. I've got an NVM and a big fat old hard drive just for massive storage. So let's get going, chat. Here is the case that we're going to be building in. This is the H5 Flow. It's got a glass panel on the side. It's got this cool like design here that kind of allows for air inflow. I'm excited about that. It still stands firmly on the table though, even though it's got this the space underneath. From the back, standard, you know. In the front, we've got mesh panel with fans built in. Other side, backside is just completely flat with a little bit of mesh at the bottom. It's a clean case. I'm super excited to have a clean, not huge case for once. I feel like my cases lately have been humongous, and I have a hard time moving it or just doing anything with it because it's just too heavy. Motherboard. Also, NZXT, fully black one, and I love the design that it is completely black because I do not like having these small, like, different color details. I want it clean, okay? Clean. Now, here's the case. This is what it looks like. We've got a little box here in the bottom. Nice little logo here in the bottom. And this is really good for cable management. So that's going to be nice. In it, bruv. Here do we have, wow, that was so Swedish. Here we have the monster. This bad boy is going to be the one that brings the power into the computer, which we, of course, very much need. We need some muscles. Urgh. Here it is. Unboxing. Let's go. Nice little purple bag. I love the color design that NZXT is going with. Everything is purple and white. Love this as well. Nice bag. This means that since it is a modular PSU, you can swap all the cables. The ones you don't use, you put them back into the bag. You store the bag somewhere in case you need it. If you, for instance, want to install another hard drive or I don't know, whatever it is. CPU, PSIe, bzz, 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 motherboard. Okay, we've got all the cables here. Bzz, 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 bzz. Out comes the PSU itself, if I can get a hold of it. Ta-da! Very good looking, single, like, one color. Even the text is like blank on matte black. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Zero fan on and off. I didn't know that was a thing. Interesting. Smells new even. Looks really good. Ooh, this is so clean. Yeah, that motherboard is nerd porn, right, Evu? It is so pretty. It is so hecking pretty. It's actually ridiculous. Look at it. Look at it, chat. It is so clean. So hecking clean, chat. I don't know. I'm just... I don't know. It's absolutely beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. I also want to give a big thank you to NZXT and Webhallen for sponsoring these parts. I'm so grateful that they helped me, and do check out everything on their links. We've got one link for NZXT. Click that one, okay? Click it. And then we've got another one for Webhallen. For Webhallen, we have specific ones for the different components. Exclamation mark CPU, exclamation mark GPU, exclamation mark RAM. That's what we got. Here is the bad boy. The new one that came out yesterday. It's completely new, chat. Got the little manual. We're going to save that. Cables. Okay, we'll take that. Here are the fans, which I think might be identical to these fans. Are they? Yes, they are. Exactly the same, right? Which means we have 3 more fans than I thought we did. Reveal it. Oof. I mean, once again, it's so good looking. Everything is just completely sleek black design. Look at it. Like, there's nothing in any other color than black. It's gorgeous. I want to keep the protective plastic on so that the thermal paste does not get smudged. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Holy shit, this is huge. Oh, this is very flexible as well. Okay, so here's the actual radiator. It's upside down now, but the panel is humongous for this. And so pretty. And the cables, these are very flexible. Interesting. Okay, very, very nice. Check in here as well with the camera for different angles. Radiator. We've got the power supply. We've got the motherboard, which is actually gorgeous. The case, the cables. We've got the fans. Lots of them. 3, 3, 2, 1. We're skipping this one. Unboxing the next thing, which is from Webhallen. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Webhallen has always been my favorite go-to shop in Sweden. Yeah, it's pretty big, actually. Holy shit, it's big. Holy freaking shit, it's humongous. In my current one, I have a custom water-cooled 3090, and that one is not very big comparatively. But holy crap, it's huge. That's what she said. So we begin, chat. And we want... we went like this. You know what's even worse than cable management? When you have done cable management and then you like swap a part, or you need to add something, or you need to remove something. So you have to tear it all down and redo it, because otherwise your cable management is screwed. All right. Mounted. Looks like this. Part of me wants to put another set of fans here, but just to visually make it a bit sleeker. Might in the future install some LED strips and stuff like here in the side of the case or something. We'll see. All right, we've installed the radiator. Fans blowing in air. Now we're moving on to the motherboard. We've got the CPU from Webhallen. We've got the RAM from Webhallen as well. Out here, 3 fans in the top that blow out, 1 fan in the back that blows out, 3 fans in the front that blow in, 2 fans in the bottom that blow in as well. How I put the... No, I mean, these coolers, the AIOs, come with a pre-made thermal paste. So as long as you don't remove it, then you're going to need to reapply it. Off with the protection. Open. Ta-da! Here it is. We've got the little CPU. And it's nice. Little box. Kind of cool that I can reflect myself in it. So fancy. Now we're putting it on. Or in. Careful to touch it only on the sides. Touch it with the pins in all the directions. There we go. Cute. There we go. All right, CPU has been mounted. Looks like this. All right, so we've got, from Webhallen as well, we have DDR5, 64 gigs, 5,600 megahertz. They look like this. Very clean, very pretty. Here, DIMM slots. A2, B2, yeah. So 2 and 4. There we go. Okay, that is done. Now we have the storage, the NVM, which I think is going in here, actually. If you want to put your NVM storage here. Wait, now I can't do it with my left hand. Here. It's just a magnetic clip And this is where you mount it. And then you just let it click into place. Magnetic. Beautiful. Okay, so you screw the heatsink still, but there's like an extra protection that just makes it clean where the pin goes there. Like this. Boop. Click. First I was asking myself, what the heck are these little bloops for, the pins? But it made it so easy to fit exactly where the heatsink was going to go. And it just fit perfectly. Love it. The design is awesome. What is next? This one needs to go back, of course. Boop. Oh yeah, that's why it's for. Oh my god. The metal thing was also to put this front on as well. Oh, just wow. They've thought about everything when it comes to the design of this motherboard. Very impressed, actually. CPU is mounted. RAM is mounted. Storage is mounted. Should we mount the motherboard into the PC now? We're gonna put this. We can put this here, supported by the PSU. These instructions I'm looking for now to see which screws we're going to be using for the motherboard. Bum 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 bum. Here we go. This is a very pretty. The more I look at it, I don't know. I'm just amazed at how pretty this motherboard is. It's insane. It's such a bliss to look at. Okay, let's see how many screws I lose now. There we go. All right. Should be mounted and good. Nice. Now, how about the cooler? Do, 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 do. Mounting radiator and fans, that is done. There's a cable here. Look at this chaotic cable. Okay, this one's going into the cooler, I think, up there. Boop. And then these are going into various places on SATA even. SATA? S-A-T-A? What do you say? SATA, right? SATA. SATA in Swedish. Okay. Let me put this cable in regardless, and then we're going to test the GPU. Oh, shit, this one's... Oh, it is in. Is it in? That's what she said. I think it is in. Because you can't pull it out again. I just didn't hear any click. It just slid in so smoothly and easily that I was like, is it in? Suck it. 1700 CPU. Yep. We want these ones. The standoffs. Thank you. LJ 1700. Perfect. Just to make sure we get everything correct, we're going to check the instructions because you can never be too sure. I actually think it is this way in. So that means that this side is against the motherboard. Why was this harder than it should be? Now I wish I had short nails. This is a terrible moment to have long nails. Okay. They're screwed on. Now we put it back down. All right, cool. Are we ready to get this show started? Hehehe. Mount the CPU thingy. Okay, I'm removing the cover now. A little bit nervous to screw this up because I don't actually have any more thermal paste at home. Okay, it's in place. Screws. Will she succeed? One step for mankind. Wait, I didn't read that. Wait, I gotta focus on screwing this on so I don't frick it up. It's actually in place now. Now we're just gonna tighten it. Applying even pressure everywhere so that we spread the thermal paste in a good way. All right. Cooler is mounted, chat. Oh, clean. Looking clean, chat. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, pump is done. Installing the pump, yes, that is done. Zoom, 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 zoom. That is done. Powering the pumps and fans. Here we go. Here begins the cable management. Plug the RGB core fan 8-pin male connector to the breakout cable 8-pin female connector. So this one should be the fans, aka this one. Bloop. Now the fans are connected. Also, shouldn't we... I just realized we should probably connect the fans before we continue anything. These are the fans that we have at our disposal. We're going to have to put the single fan in the back, obviously. there's nothing else that fits in the back. It feels so sad to leave this out. Oh, I'm a little bit sad that this doesn't fit. Why? Sad. So we're gonna skip that. Before you put exhaust fans in, I suggest putting the CPU power cable first. That's true. That's a very fair point, actually. It's not like it's gonna overvolt itself and die. Actually, that's exactly what no, but okay, yeah. I get what you mean. Okay, so I have the cable pulled. That means we move on to the fan. Question, I have my fan hub, right? And now I want to make sure that all the fans go into the same unit. Everything is sponsored by Webhallen, the retailer, and NZXT. So NZXT provided me with the case, the Kraken 360 Elite AIO cooler. They provided me with the power supply. They provided me with fans and motherboard. The motherboard is freaking gorgeous. Actually gorgeous. And then Webhallen provided me with GPU, CPU, and RAM. Okay, so let's just screw them on then. And pretty side in the front. Okay, we're gonna pull these back here. I want to pull them behind this cable. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Pretty side in. There we go. Like here, probably. Okay, we've connected all the fans now, right? Just want to double check, but yes, I think so. Which means we can go back here. We have this. We've got these loose ones. They need to go. There's only one place they can go. Connecting the fan. Boop. Connecting the RGB. Boop. They're saying we should have it up here. Look, it's magnetic, chat. It's so amazing. So nice. So nice. I wonder if we can push it even further up. I need to go get my zip ties as well. Okay, bloop. Okay, so the hub itself needs power down here, and it needs motherboard, USB. I'm gonna pull this back so we know what to get. These also need to go motherboard. All of those motherboard. It sits a little bit poorly there. Maybe if we put it a bit further down, put those more like that. Here, now we got all the CPU cool thingies. This is most likely going, all of these should probably be going, yeah, USB, SATA power. So a SATA power cable, I suppose. Didn't I have that somewhere? One of those, yep. Yep. Maybe time to get the power supply going now. Need a YouTube channel so you can say like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. That's a good one. Okay, what do we have? We have the PCIe for that one. CPU. This is for the graphics card. This is for the motherboard. Is there anything I'm missing? The SATA, of course. There we go. Now everything should be in. All right, here we go. Okay, front panel is on. HD audio. All right, there we go. Then we have the USB port. Anyone know where that one is? I have a feeling it's probably on the side. Yeah, I think I see it. All right, it's in. Okay, chat. We're doing it. The last component. Okay, pulling off the protection thing. Off. We should probably also check. There's most likely some sort of support. Is it this? I just put it underneath and it sits there, or what? I guess we're gonna lay it down for easier mounting. But it comes out if I pull it again. So it doesn't click in. I don't want to push too hard either. Am I just that weak? Also, I'm not trying to push too hard. For obvious reasons. With my injury. I would try to flip it with my finger. Well, I flip the switch. The switch is still down. Okay, so as you can see, this one isn't attached, right? It's supposed to go in and click like that. Okay. And you can see that it fits really well, like this.
But it doesn't click.
But it doesn't click.
Does it have to click?
Yes, it has to click. And I don't know if it's something's just blocking. What? You clicked it?
Just click it up.
Well, seriously?
Was that it?
That was it. Normally you just click it and then it clicks into place,
Anything
but...
else now?
No, that's good. That's good. Shit. Okay. Where are the actual screws for that, though? These screws. Found them. Like, you just take it out. Because there's... When you screw it... There we go. Might be too high now, but... Now it's at least carrying some of the weight. Now, we're going to attach the PSU. Hello, Tris. What? Jesus Christ, you're so snuggly. Calm down. Important. Install the PSU with the fan facing up. Oh yeah, because this thing is like flush to the floor. Aha, that explains it. We're supposed to install it reversed. Interesting. You really want to sit here? I don't know if you do. Flipping it around. Yep, now all the things are flush. This explains a lot. There we go. It has been installed. Upside down. So, that's it. That's it, chat. Always nerve-wracking to test the PC, though. But I guess that's what we're going to have to do. You're so snuggly now, Tris. Hey, hey. Okay. So, everything's working now, I suppose. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the PC build. I'm going to leave lots of links down below in the description to all of the components and parts and everything that we'll be using. Special thank you to Webhallen and NCXT for sponsoring the parts for this PC. I've got a few things to fix with this. Obviously, we need to put on the sides. I need to get those hard drives that broke, buy new ones, install them. But besides that, everything's working. I'm so happy about it. Hope you did like the video. Leave a like and a comment and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you on stream as well. All right. Bye.